Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Mighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful and amazing crochet crop top blouses design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel, and first also be sure to press the bell icon. You can make a amazing design show to you people. In all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the first time. You can market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, and I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Ali, inshallah. Be sure to let us comment now box. You can like our videos if you want to watch any videos related to fashion, and if you guys to take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone and see and make two similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing, every video, and don't miss off the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all of kind related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember, take care. Prayer. Bye.